How curious is it that the universe, in all its vastness and complexity, organizes itself without any apparent external intervention? This intriguing question sets the stage for a journey of discovery into the self-organizing nature of the universe and the fascinating theory that space is a plenum of energy. Imagine a universe where order springs from disorder, where intricate systems emerge from simple interactions. That's the reality we live in. It's a principle known as emergence, a concept fundamental to numerous scientific fields from physics to biology and even social science. It paints the picture of a universe that isn't just a chaotic jumble of matter and energy, but an active player in its own evolution. But the revelations don't stop there. The universe isn't a passive mechanical system, it's an active dynamic entity in a constant state of change and evolution. It's a principle known as process, another cornerstone of scientific understanding across multiple disciplines. It challenges the notion of a static universe, replacing it with one that is alive, vibrant, and ceaselessly evolving. As we delve deeper, we encounter another profound understanding. The universe is not only interconnected, but interconnected on multiple levels, and from the tiniest subatomic particles to the vast cosmic structures, everything is linked. This principle, known as holism, posits that the universe can't be understood by studying its individual parts alone. We need to examine the relationships between them, another fundamental concept echoing across the sciences. Each of these realizations, born from the theory that space is a plenum of energy, contributes to a unifying factor. It's a factor that revolutionizes our understanding of the universe, providing a common thread that ties together all of science, from the simplest to the most complex systems. Recognizing this unity and coherence in the universe allows us to better comprehend the relationships between different systems. It underscores the interconnectedness of all things and the ripple effects of our actions. More than that, it fosters empathy, compassion, and a sense of responsibility towards our world and its inhabitants. In conclusion, the theory that space is a plenum of energy offers a unifying principle that explains the fractal patterns repeated across the universe. It bridges the principles of interconnectedness and biocentrism, highlighting the deep ties between life, consciousness, and the universe. It's a theory with profound implications, reminding us that our beliefs are the only true separators, and that they can be molded with ease. It's a theory that expands our perception, reshaping the way we view our universe and our place within it.